Good morning, everybody. Hi, I'm Rome, and this is our channel. It's a Rome Thing Every Day. Today, I am going to be changing a solenoid on this 97 F150 Ford. Our neighbor went to go to work the other day. He turned the key, and he said all it would do was click. So I'm going to take the old one off, and I'm going to show you how to change this. It's a relatively simple job. It takes about 15 minutes, and let's get started. Okay, for this job, we've got a 9/16 3/8 drive. We've got a 5/16 1/4-inch drive. And right back here on the firewall, everybody, this is the solenoid. Alright, we've got the power coming in right here. And then we've got the power going out here. And they got one that goes over here and on here. And this right here is a trigger wire. This comes from the ignition on this steering column. It just pulls off of here just like that. It slides onto this threaded terminal here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. This cover here covers that. So we'll take this bolt off here, and back in here, there's a screw right there, and there's another one right over here behind the ground, so we're going to have to move this ground wire to get this off, and we're going to replace this whole thing here with a new one, and I'll show you that here. I got the box. Engine Management Technology, BWD. This is a brand new part. These are approximately $31 at the auto shop. Apologize for the train with all the noise it's making. Alright, everybody, here's the new one. And they've included screws and all the stuff you need here to put it together. Now, this one has got two of them on it. There's an auxiliary. So you can connect other stuff if need be, or if your vehicle comes equipped with it, it's there. The one we were working on here today, guys, does not have that other one on it. As you can see, it's just got the top one, so we'll have to take note of that when we're attaching the new one here. And so I'm going to go ahead and tear this all off here, and I'll show you what to do from that step forward, okay? Everybody, so I've loosened the wires here. I've loosened that side. This whole thing I'll just move right out of the way here so we can get in here. All we got left now is to take out this one bolt right here. And then we'll take this whole thing off here, and I'll show you how to switch it, alright? Stay tuned. Alright, everybody, here it is. This is the old one. This is a defective one here. So take note, this has only got a single terminal here. Now here's the new one, and you'll notice this new one has a copper terminal here that the old one doesn't have. I'm guessing that's because this is interchangeable with more models than just this particular year. So they've included some washers here and some nuts and all the stuff that you need to hook up to it. So I've got all the wires just sitting right here so that we can go ahead and put the new one in. So yeah, let's get this new one put on here, and we'll see how the truck does, if it starts up like it should, and we'll go from there. Okay, everybody, we've got the new one on. I just have to reattach all the wires here, which will take about a minute. Let's go ahead and slide that on there like so. Oh, what's going on here? Alright. This new one has a divider in the middle, which the old one doesn't have. So we're going to have to put some nuts on the inside here to get the spacing correct, which is what they included with the package. So we'll go ahead and put them on right quick. Here's those spacers I was telling them about right here. See that? It's just a little copper shim spacer. See that? That's so that the wires don't hit this interference divider right here, and they will still mount flush and everything will make a good tight connection. Okay, we've reattached all our wires. See those copper spacers they gave us there? We'll go ahead and attach our trigger wire here, and let's find out if it starts, everybody. Just one moment. Alright, here we go, everybody. Here's the moment of truth. Let's find out if she starts. Uh-oh. We don't have power here somewhere. We must have not connected our ground cable. I forgot about that. We have a ground cable right there, everybody. See that? Right there. Let me take a moment and connect that quick. Alright. Alright, let's try this again. Gotta find the key. Alright, let's see how it does. Started right up, guys. Yeah, she's running. Shut it off. I'll try it again. Oh, why aren't we starting here? Huh? What do you suppose that could be, everybody? So we determined what the problem was here after changing our solenoid. Is this big cable here goes down to the starter, and where it attaches to the starter, the connection on the starter where it bolts on is loose. So I tightened it up. And now that that's tight, the truck starts every single time. So that solved our problem, in addition with a bad solenoid there, which was only engaging about half the time. So sometimes the truck would start, other times it wouldn't. So you can see there it is. Our ground connection right there is nice and tight. And this is just a hose for the windshield washer fluid there. We got our trigger wire, we got our incoming power, and the outgoing power, which goes to the wiring harness on the truck, as well as to the starting unit. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this might help anybody that's having this issue with their vehicle. A lot of the Ford vehicles use this setup for starting. I think, in fact, just about all of them do in the older models. I'm not too sure about the newer models, however, because I really haven't worked on the newer ones. This is about the newest Ford I've worked on here. This is a 97 F150. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.